Hello, good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you're all doing well. Okay, so we have a wooden fence. There's a panel that keeps falling down. Actually, there's two panels that keep falling down. It's kind of old. The nails are pulling out, and every time we get a good windstorm, it just this one panel pulls out. So we're gonna rebuild all that. We're gonna install a new post, and we're building another gate like I did last year for her neighbor, and that's what she wants. So let's just go up there and see what we got going on with this fence. So it should be exciting. See you there. Okay, we are here. Another beautiful day. Working on this fence. I got my 6x6 post because we're going to hang the gate here to here. It used to be way down there, you can see. So we're extending the fence line over here, and it's going to be here. This old part of the fence was here. Well, it actually was over here. It's going to be over here now, and it keeps falling down. Must have fell down like 3 or 4 times. So we're going to do better with that. Okay. Now I know the fence looks a little rough, but we're going to do a little bit of repairs. Replace some slats here and there. Over here the fence came down, and replace this. So I sistered a 4x4 to this one, and the reason why I did this was because these are rotted. So by sistering a 4x4, we can come back 3.5 inches and cut a nice clean there. We're putting this back up. We're not building a new one here. We're just fixing it so the dogs don't come. Well, that's what we got. So yeah, pretty cool job. Loose nails. Look at that. And they screwed them, but it just didn't take. So yeah, I'd like to replace the whole thing, but that's not in the budget. So we're just doing some repairs, and then we're building this end new. And yeah, it's kind of hard to video. The neighbor or the homeowner loves to talk, so it's kind of hard to hold a conversation, video, and work. So I got to dig out a couple of holes, and we'll see how it goes. quick. Stuff up here. Get yourself one of these trays. They're real easy. They're easy to work with. They're easy to clean. But here, let me grab my level. And I'm gonna run a level on this side, back and forth. I'll show you how I do it. Take my level, and level on here, on the side, I'm sorry. Gotta go way back there. So I'll push it back a little bit. Get my tip back. Pretty much right on. So now I'll put one on the back side, pull it over a little bit, right on. We got our post leveled. So I'll put one on the back side. She's good to go. Looks like it might rain today, so hopefully well, we got 1, 2, 3 cured already, and 2. I might have to do the other 2 tomorrow. Clouds are moving in. I gotta check the weather. I was just checking the weather, and it don't look pretty. So we are where that little dot is, right there, and it's coming in. It's coming in. So I'm just gonna finish off what I got here. Add a little more here, a little more here. Probably add this one here. I'll add the rest of that to that, and then we'll just cover this up, and that'll be it for today, because it's going to rain. See you tomorrow. All right. Ooh, it'll be a nice one today. Yo. It'll be a nice one today. I got my last post in. Let me show you. Here she is. She's in the ground. Little level action. Right on. Little level action over here. Right on. See how we're doing over here. Right on. Yeah, right on. Lean a little bit, just a hair. There you are. So now we're ready to put our 2x across as our nailers for the slats, and we'll let this dry. And coming along. Okay, she'll be out in a minute, so I don't know if I'll be able to record. But anyway, we'll give it a shot. Here we go. See? No need for pocket screws. Very solid. Okay, we get the rest of them up. Then we can start with the slats. What I like to do is I'll tack up the slats with finish nails, and these are all exterior galvanized. Make sure it's galvanized, because if it doesn't say galvanized, it's gonna rust. It'll leave stains. So put some. Now this is just to hold the slats, and then we're gonna screw them all in. Trimming as we go up. Cold, blustery day. Anyway, show you what I got going on over here. So I took the fence apart over there, and now I'm just doing denailing them, taking the nails out. We're gonna pop them on here. So this way, this whole area here will be kind of matching the existing. All these are gonna go there. Okay, well, got this side all set, and we're gonna build our gate now. These are the two side pieces, two more over there, and what I'm gonna do here is they're gonna be like a half lap. So you'll see what I mean. It really works well. I don't give it any chance to sag. So we're gonna do a half lap, and a cross member down this way. So it'll be supported from the bottom hinge and it'll keep it from sagging. So let me got 2 more pieces and then we'll see what we got going on. You know what? Certain things, battery powered tools just won't cut it. Too much for them. So we're going full on corded. Let's see how she does. Clean it up a little bit. Hey, we got our half laps here. So let's put those together. All 2x4. That's all just put together. See? There we go. Got a frame, so we'll take one of these. We'll just pick up our frame. Put it there. Put them together. That. All right, I gotta get some clamps and support it and whatnot. It's a kind of a two-man job, but you can do it by yourself. Not in our eyes right now. Come this way. It's on. It's on. Yeah. What's that? A little high there? That's what you wanted. All set. Look on the side here. Yes, sir. with a lag. All right, okay guys, well the next day the gate is all installed. She's happy with it, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna see if I can go by over there, and we're gonna spray some stain on it, and hopefully I'll get a little bit of video of that, and that job will be done. Let me see. Oh yeah, and it was scheduled for Saturday or Monday, but I'm gonna try and squeeze it in today because we have like 3 days of rain. So that's why I'm headed over there, and we'll see if we can get this gate sprayed. But hopefully she's home, and hopefully we can get it done. All right, so we'll see what happens. Gate's all set. Here it is. So the only thing that's left, she's gonna put those up. She's got some screws for it, and we are good to go. Alrighty, the gate is all set. Close is perfect. She likes it. I like it. I just want to thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button if you want. And don't forget to have a blessed day. See you on the next job.